Welcome back to another video, students. In this session we will learn introduction about compound interest, right? So what is compound interest? What is the difference between simple interest and compound interest? So let's take an example. Simple interest, compound interest. Okay, suppose you are like keeping rupees 10,000 in bank, where the rate of interest is 10%, and you are keeping it for 1 year. Okay, for CI also you are keeping 10,000, rate of interest is 10% yearly. That yearly thing I will explain. The time is 1 year. So interest will be PRTY 100, which will be 1000. Here also interest is same formula applying 1000. What makes the difference is, for the second year principal is 10,000 in case of SI, but in case of CI the principal becomes 10,000 plus interest, which is 11,000. Rate being same, time is again 1 year for the second year, rate being same, time is same for 1 year. Applying the same formula, we are getting 1000 as interest, but now we are getting here 11,000 into 10 into 1 by 100, which is 1100. So now you see, CI is always more than SI for more than 1 year, right? In the first year both of them are equal for same principal and for same interest, rate of interest. But from the second year, but as soon as you cross the first year, the 1 year 1 day if you are going, then also CI will be a bit more than SI there also, because here interest is not getting added with principal, but here interest is getting added with the principal. The principal is increasing year by year, hence your interest will also increase year by year, day by day, right? Then another difference is, when you like put money or amount on SI, okay, you can take out the like your interest in monthly basis, quarterly basis, yearly basis. But if you want to put some money on CI, okay, it will be taken back after a long term, okay, 5 years, 10 years. You are not going to get interest in hand every month or every 6 months or something, but after 5-10 years, when you will get the amount in your hand, it will be pretty greater than that of SI, right? That is the difference between CI and SI. Means SI you are getting instantly maybe, but you are getting less. CI will make you wait, but you will get more money, right? This is the difference between SI and CI. Okay, so what we are seeing, that principal for the first year, interest for the first year, and amount for the first year is principal plus interest, first year, which is 11,000, which is again principal for the second year. So we can see principal for the second year is amount for the first year, again principal for the third year will be amount for the second year, right? So this is a conclusion we are getting for CI. We see that principal for the second year is amount for first year, Principal for third year is amount for second year. Principal for fourth year is amount for third year. Hence we can say principal for nth year is amount for n minus 1th year. Right? Principal for nth year is amount for n minus 1th year. This is a important derivation. And we can see A1 equals to P1 plus I1, A2 equals to P2 plus I2. Hence AN equals to Pn plus In. Right? Amount for the first year, amount after second year, amount after nth year. Okay? So we are getting these 2 points. Right? With the basic conclusions of CI. Now what we are saying about yearly. Rate is 10% yearly. What do you mean by that? Let me explain. So we take E as 10,000, rate as 10% yearly, and time is 1 year. So your interest after a year will be 1,000. It will be added after 1 year. So you are getting 11,000. Because it is yearly, your interest will add after 1 year only. But if I say here not yearly, it will be half yearly or semi-annually. Then what will happen? It will be 1000 into rate 10, and time will be half year now, because your interest will get added semi-annually, half yearly. Okay, after every 6 months your interest will get added. Okay, and your time is 1 year only. Interest will be added to the principal after every 6 months. Time is 1 year. Okay, it will take place for 1 year only. So rate is 10% half yearly. Time is 1 year. So interest will be, so first interest will be added after half year. So let's find out interest for half year. So it will be 500. So amount after 6 months, for the first half is 10,000 plus 500, which will be 10,500. So we will calculate the interest for the next 6 months with the new principal. The new principal we will get after 6 months because it is semi-annual. So interest for the next half year will be P R next half by 100. It will be 525. So amount at the end of 1 year will be 10,500 plus 525, 11,025. See, when it was annually we are getting 11,000, now we are getting 25 rupees more, because we are getting new principals after every 6 months. So interest will start increasing after every 6 months only. Right? This is semi-annually. Now I am showing you what will happen for quarterly. So for quarterly we will do. So now rate is quarterly. Okay. Quarterly, what happens in quarterly? Interest will be added after every 3 months. It divides the year into 4 equal halves. So principal is 10,000, rate is 10%, time is 1 year. Okay, the thing will be taking place for 1 year only. Okay, so principal, so interest for the first 3 months. Okay, it will be P R. So 3 months means 3 by 12, 1 by 4th year, 100, 250. The next principal you are getting 10,000 plus 250, 10,250, and interest for the next 3 months the 456 will be 1025 by 4, which will be 4 to the 8, 5 4 the 20, 4 6 the 24.25, 256.25. So again it will get added to the 1250. So 1250 plus 256.25. So this becomes the new principal after 6 months. 10,506.25. See the difference. After 6 months, the new principal was 10,500. Now it is 6.25 rupees more, because interest is getting added after every 3 months only. So naturally your CI will also increase, right? So for the next 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9 months, 7, 8, 9. This will be your principal with the rate 10% time 1/4 year by 100. Again, a interest will come, and this thing will go on. So when we are saying about yearly, we are dividing a year in one part only, on one part. When we are saying about, that is yearly. When we are saying about quarterly, we are dividing, when we are saying about semi-annually, we into 2 equal halves, 1, 1. And when we are saying about quarterly, we are saying about 4 equal halves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. 3 months, 3 months, 3 months, 3 months. The interest going to get in this yearly is less than that of semi-annually. Semi-annually is also less than that of quarterly, because in quarterly the interest is getting added in quick duration, in short duration. So naturally it will fetch more interest, right? So this is the basic things of compound interest. Yeah, there are formulas equals to P1 plus R by 100 to the power n, that we will discuss in some other session. So today we have dived into the analytical discussions. Okay, so what is the basic difference in CI/SI? Okay, and how it is getting calculated. Okay, 1 year, okay, and what is a half yearly, what is annually, half yearly, and semi-annually. These are the basic things of CI, right? We'll do about the formula in some other classes. Okay, students, thank you.